In this video we're going to show how to remove the front bumper from a Renault Clio Mark III. That's years 2006 to 2012. Tools you'll need for the job: a 10mm socket with a ratchet, a T20 Torx, flat screwdriver and a trim removal tool. So we've got the car up in the air, and the first two bolts you need to undo are these two there where the bumper meets the undertray. There's two 10mm bolts, or there is also a T30 in the middle, but we're using the 10mm. It's on the outside of the bolt. Obviously you don't need a ramp, you can do it on axle stands. We're using a ramp just so you can see where everything is. Now we want to take off the front part of the arch liner. So first of all, while we're underneath, we're going to do these two T20 Torx screws first. Now we've come into the wheel arch. You don't need to remove the wheel. It does make it a bit easier, but you don't have to remove it. And we want to undo, it's in two parts, the arch liner. We will just want to undo these four big plastic fittings like that. So if you've got a trim tool, like a fork type like that, there's one down the bottom there. Just get your trim tool in and pry it out. And the second one there. And there's two at the top. There's one here where the bumper meets the wing. And then there's also one at the top where it meets the other half, the back half of the arch liner. Once you've got those four out, you just need to sort of manipulate it and get it out of the way. So you get it over the brake pipe first and pull the bottom out. Should come away and then drop down. Now we've got the arch liner out of the way, you want to undo this one 10mm bolt. Yeah. And then the bumper is clipped in along this line here. So once you've undone the bolt, just pull it towards you, and it should, if you just lift it and wiggle it, it should pop off. And you want to do the same again on the other side. So we've undone the arch liner and the bolt on the other side, and we can pop that out. And then there's some bolts along the top, but before we do those, if your car's got fog lights, you want to unplug that connector there, the yellow one at the bottom, that just pulls out, and also a little drain tube there that's clipped into the bumper. Free that off so there's nothing snagging when you remove it. Now we're going to undo the fittings along the top. We've left these to last because they're the easiest to get to. So these edge plastic fittings, you just turn it and it'll start to rise up the centre of the clip as you turn it. You can just pop it up with a screwdriver and pull it out. Same on the other side. Just turn it so it pops up a little bit. Get your screwdriver in and pop that out. And then in the centre here there's two 10mm bolts. Undo both of those. Once you've done both of those, the bumper should just pull up at the front, just get it over the little lip, and it should pull off straight towards you.